Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and healthy. So, today again we are here for learning science. Yes, so let's start our today's lecture. As you know, I am your science teacher from Mahdi School, Mubassiramis, and today we continue lesson number 4. Activity. So today we continue our activity of spellings, but today we learn the spelling of cereals and pulses which we learn in lesson number 4. So let's start our today's lecture with one beautiful line. So do the best you can with where you are at now. So now where you are at home. You cannot come school, but you can continue your study at your home and you can do best your from home and you learn. So do the best you can with where you are at now. So let's start our today's lecture. So, what we learned today? In previous lecture, we learned about fruits and vegetables, right? We write the spelling of fruits and vegetables. So, today we write the spelling of cereals and pulses. Now, we learn in lesson number 4 about cereals and pulses, right? That small seeds we eat are cereals, and we also learn about pulses. So today we see the picture of some pulses, we learn about some cereals also, and we write the spellings of cereals and pulses. So when we learn about food we get from plant, we learn that we also get small seeds like cereals and pulses which we can eat. Not every seeds we can eat. So from these some seeds we can eat. They are cereals and pulses. As you know that seeds like mango seeds and chiku seeds and watermelon seeds we cannot eat, but the cereals and pulses which are also seeds we can eat. So today we learn about some cereals also, some pulses also, some new cereals and new pulses also. And we write the spelling of eat. So let's start. First we revise lesson number 4, that plants as food. So in this lesson we learn about different types of food we get from plant. So here you can see the picture of some food we get from plant. Which foods we can get from plant? Here you can see the some fruits like orange and pomegranate and lemon also. There is a brinjal which is a vegetable, grapes also, onion also, cherries and many other things. So these all food we get from plant. From morning to evening, and when we are going to sleep, till then we eat many food which we get from plant. So here you can see the picture of food we get from plant. Some we use as vegetable, some we use as fruit, and some we use as cereal or pulses. Some we use as a diet food also. Here you can see the picture of lady's finger which we learned yesterday. So we use as vegetable. So we learned the spelling of lady's finger yesterday, right? Yes. So here lady's finger, then onion. We learned that onion is a root of the plant. In this lesson, we also see the different types of onion, that white onion, green onion and this onion we use in our food regularly. Then let's see next one. It is vegetable basket. And fruits also, pineapple, papaya, banana, brinjal and many others. Then we learn about cereals in these lessons. So here you can see the picture of pulses. Which pulses are there? Green peas and dry peas and many other. You can see the grains. So cereals and pulses are also known as grains. So when we learn about cereal and pulses, we also learn that they are also known as grains. So it is give us energy and healthy body. So let's see other picture. Here you can see the picture of yellow peas. So what is this? It is pulses or it is cereal? We learn about this, right? So peas are pulses or cereals? Yes, it is pulses. Which pulses is here? Here is yellow peas. So we learn about peas, green peas, yellow peas. Cereals also, pulses also. So here you can see different types of cereals. So today we learn about these cereals and pulses. Then again pulses, chickpeas, moong, here you can see green moong. These all are seeds we eat. Then black grams. It is a one type of pulses we use in our food as split it and then use it. It is a black gram. Then in this you can see some cereals like rice, wheat, corn, oats and many others. So these all are cereals we eat. You can see two types of rice here. One is white rice and second is brown rice. Then it is a moong or green grams. So and the yellow is yellow grams which we get from black grams. We take out the peels of these black grams and we get yellow grams. Most of these pulses we use in our food as dal. So when we use it, we split it and we use it. So here you can see the picture of kidney beans, corn, oats, peas and many others. So these all are cereals and pulses we eat. They give energy to our body. They make our body healthy. So these all are cereals and pulses we eat and seeds we eat. Then we get food from plant like vegetables, cabbage, tomato, fruits like kiwi. You can see here purple cabbage also. So these all things we get from plant. Here you can see chilies we get from plant like red chilies, green chilies, yellow chilies you can see here. So these all are different types of chilies we get from plant. So when we see these fruits and vegetables, we remember that all these things we get from plant. Then potatoes, most used vegetable in our house also and in world also, because all over the world most of the people use potato in every dish. Then brinjal, we learn that brinjal is a fruit of the plant but we eat as vegetable. Then cereals, pulses, here you can see different types of pulses, cereals, and we also get tea, coffee and sugar from plant. So these all things we get from plant. Which are they? Fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses, coffee, tea and sugar, and many other things we get from plant like oil, spices and nuts, dry fruits, all we get from plant. So in this lesson we learn about different types of food we get from plant. So let's start our today's topic. So today what we learn? Like in previous lecture we learned about fruits and vegetables, right? So today we learn about cereals and pulses. So we learn the spelling of cereal and pulses. In lesson number 4 we learn about cereals and pulses. But today we write the spelling of these cereals and pulses, which is a grains. So take your book and compass box. We write the spelling of cereals and pulses. So let's start. Which is a first picture? What is this? Brown color. We also grow this plant when we learn about this in lesson number 4, right? So which is food? Yes, it is wheat. What is this? It is wheat. What we make from wheat? Remember we learn about wheat, that how wheat start growing in farm. We see the picture of wheat when it is green and when it turn into brown. When it dry, we take out the wheat seeds and we use in our home. So it is wheat. We also learn that in breakfast, in lunch and in dinner we use this wheat flour to making bread also, to making chapatis also. So what is this? It is wheat. So here some letters of wheat are missing, but we have spelling of wheat here. So we start writing. So what is the spelling of wheat? And which letters are missing? The spelling of wheat is W H E A T. So let's write the missing letter. We have W, then H, then E, then A, then T. So what is the spelling of wheat? W H E A T. And wheat is the cereal or pulses? Pulses? No, it is a cereals. So wheat is most used cereal. Why? Because we use wheat in our food. We make flour of wheat and we use in our food. We make bread from it. We make chapatis from it, which we eat with our dishes. So Wheat is a cereal we eat. We also make sweet dishes from wheat. So here is wheat and wheat is a cereal we eat. Right? So let's see which is the next one. Yes, it same look like wheat. What is this? It is rye. So it is also one of the food which we eat. We make flour of it and we eat. So let's write the spelling. Yes, rye. What is the spelling? R E Y. So here which letter is missing? We have to write missing letters also. First we see the spelling R E Y and which letter is missing? Let's see. We have R, then E is missing. So we write E and Y. So the spelling is R E Y. Now it is cereals or pulses. It's look like wheat and wheat is a cereal. So this is also cereals. So this is also one of the healthy food. It gives energy to our body and we use whole this and we also grind it and make it flour. Then we use it. We make bread from it. We make chapatis from it. So today we also learn some new cereals. So let's see which is next one. Yes, it is green color vegetable, right? So why we add in cereal and pulses? No, it is not vegetable. It is a pulses. Why? Because we dry it and we use it. We use as a vegetable also. But it is a pulses we eat. So what is the spelling of peas? Let's see the spelling of peas. P E A S. So what is the spelling of peas? P E A S. Now here is some letter missing, right? So we write missing letter. So what is the missing letter? First we have P E A S. Now it is cereal or pulses we eat? Is that a cereal we eat like wheat? No. So it is pulses we eat. So it is a pulses we eat. We use in our food as pulses. We also make fast food from peas. We use dry peas also and we use green peas also. Now let's see which is the next one. Yes, it is white color seed. We learn about this in lesson number 4 when we learn about cereals and pulses. We see the farm of this, right? So what is this? We use in our meal also, right? So it is rice. We eat with dishes. Okay. So what is this? It is rice. Now what is the spelling of rice? R I C E. The spelling of rice is R I C E. Now we have to write missing letters, right? So which letters are missing? Yes, R we have, then I, C and E. So the spelling of rice is R I C E. So rice is cereals or pulses. We learn about rice when we learn about wheat. So wheat is cereals. So we circle the cereal. Why? Because rice is also cereal we eat. In lunch also we eat. In dinner also we eat. We also make sweet dishes from rice. So we also make some fast food from rice. So rice is a cereal we eat, and we also eat rice like we use wheat in our food. Now what is this? Yes, this is a black grams. Now it's look like other pulses, but the color of this is black. But when we use it, we take out the peels of it. We use as whole also. We cut it and we use it, and we use white also. Even we use yellow also. So it is a black gram. So what is the spelling of black gram? B L A C K. And the spelling of gram is G-R-A-M. So first we write the missing letters, right? So which are letter missing? B, then L, A, C, K. The spelling of black color. And the gram spelling is G, R, A, M. So black gram. So is that a cereal or pulses? Yes, it is pulses we eat. So this is a black gram and it is a pulses we eat. Mostly we eat black gram in white color. So this is a pulses we eat. Now let's see which is the next one. Yes, it is again cereal. Now what is this? It is millet. So we eat millet flour. We make thick chapatis from millet flour. Now let's see what is the spelling of millet. M-I-L-L-E-T. So what is the spelling of millet? M-I-L-L-E-T. So which letters are missing? Let's write M-I-L-L-E-T. So millet is a cereal we eat. What is this cereal we eat? Like wheat and rice. Now let's see next one. Yes, what is this? We learn about this, right? We learn that it is brown color also and white color also. And we eat green color also. What is this? Yes, it is chickpea. Now, what is the spelling of chickpea? Let's write C-H-I-C-K. And the spelling of P-E-A, chickpea. Now which letters are missing in spelling? Let's write C H I C K P E A. Chickpea. We learn about chickpea that we use in fast food also. We make flour of it. And we also make sweet dishes from this flour. So it is a cereal or pulses? Yes, it is pulses we eat. We learn about this green, brown and white color chickpea, right? So let's see which is the next one. Red color beans. Which beans it is? Yes, it is kidney beans. Which beans? Kidney beans. So what is the spelling of kidney beans? K I D N E Y. And we write the spelling of beans B E A N S. So here is the spelling of kidney beans K I D N E Y and B E A N S. So which letters are missing? I N E and N. So we write the spelling of kidney beans. Now it is cereal or pulses. You can see here beans, right? So beans are pulses we eat. We also learned that white kidney beans and black kidney beans. So let's see which is the next one. We eat, right? We eat popcorn. So what is this? It is corn. C-O-R-N. What is the spelling of corn? C-O-R-N. Now let's write the missing letter of corn. C-O-R-N. So corn is cereal or pulses? Yes, it is cereals. When we learn about cereals, wheat and rice, we learn about corn also. So we make corn soup also, we eat popcorn also, we make flour of it and we eat. So it's available in sweet corn also. So we roast it and we eat it. So let's see which is the next one. So here you can see the picture of barley. So this is a look like wheat, but it is not wheat. We make a flour of it and we use to make bread or chapatis. So let's write the spelling of barley. Now what is the spelling? B-A-R-L-E-Y. Now we write the missing letter of this spelling. B A R L E Y. So what is the spelling? B A R L E Y. So now is that a cereals or pulses? Yes, it is a cereal because it's look like wheat but white wheat. So here this is cereals we eat. Now let's see the next one. Now what is this? We eat at our house this. We boil it and we eat. Yes, it is moong. So we eat with other pulse, which is that chickpea. So it is a moong. Now let's see the spelling of moong. M-O-O-N-G. So we use it in our house, right? Now what is the missing letter in this spelling? M-O-O-N-G. The name is moong and is pulses or cereals? Yes, it is pulses. We use split moong to make khichdi. It is a combination of rice and moong. So these pulses we eat in our daily routine at evening, right? Now let's see which is the next one. Yes. What is this? It is oats. So this is oats, which is a very healthy food and it give protein and vitamins to our body. Now, what is the spelling of oats? O-A-T-S, oats. Is that a cereal or pulses? We learn about this. Yes, it is cereals like wheat and rice. We make flour of it. We also use this as it is with milk. So it is a oats, which is a cereal we eat. Now let's see what is next one. Lentil. Yes, it is a lentil. We make a pulav of it. So what is the spelling of lentil? Lentil, L-E-N-T-I-L. So let's write the missing letters L-E-N-T-I-L. So lentil is pulses we eat. So when we make pulav of it with rice, so it is a lentil. We also use split lentil and make a gravy of it also. So let's see next one. Yes, it's look like mung, so it is a mott. Okay, so what is the spelling? M-O-T-H. Its other name is brown grams, like green grams, brown grams and black grams. So it is a brown grams. So it's we eat with mung. So it is a pulse we eat. Now you can understand that which is a pulses and which are cereals. You can understand that we eat cereals and pulses both. So I hope you all enjoy this lecture and learn what we do today. So take care yourself and stay healthy.